Hello, Shepherd folks, and welcome to day 2 at the ELCA Churchwide Assembly. I'm glad to take you along for the ride. Today was a great day filled with all sorts of fun adventures. We elected Presiding Bishop Elizabeth Eaton in for a second term for another 6 years beginning in November. We also got to hear reports on upcoming business that we will be voting upon in the next few days on the budget 2020 through 2022, the Mission Investment Fund, the Endowment Fund, the interreligious commitment policy that our very own bishop from St. Paul area, St. Patricia Lull, was the chair of the committee on that. If you recall the social statement draft that we talked about last September on women and justice, that is now called Faith, Sexism, and Justice, a Lutheran call to action. We heard information on that. The ELCA also presented an apology, the Declaration to the People of African Descent. I also was able to attend some hearings, so non-business related discussion and information sessions on business that is coming up that we are able to gain more information on. That was wonderful. I learned a little bit more about the upcoming conversations around deacons and whether or not ordination or consecration will be our entrance rite. And we also were able to celebrate deacons and federal chaplains in worship today. So lots of great stuff. And that's all from day 2. So thanks for watching, and I'll post another one tomorrow morning.